Alright, brother, here's your Texas Star 500 with 4 brand new HG 2879s with a gain of 71. Alrighty, this actually has a regular Texas Star fan kit on here, but a buddy of mine bought these big legs, and look at that, modified it so to stand upright. So I'm actually going to stock up on some of these big legs like this, just in case someone ever does send me a Texas Star that has one of these fan kits. So this will at least let them modify it so it can stand upright. And I'm still going to you know, sell my dual fan kits and everything, but that was pretty cool how he modified that. Sorry for the chair squeaking. I need to put some dang WD-40 on it. I'm always moving or whatever. But anyway, this was a 667, and I converted it over to a 500. It had some problems with the driver section, so just to make it a little easier and quicker, I personally favor 500s a little more than 667s myself. So this thing has a full power wire upgrade. Actually, Mr. Scorpion done this upgrade actually. I just got in here and kind of did my thing and converted and everything, and this thing is tuned awesome. I took the silver dip mica out and dropped in this metal. That's something I always do. Went ahead and soldered all this right here. Here's the old 500 conversion. Went ahead and thickened up the solder on the output pad like I always like to do. Just a little bit of this and that, you know. And here is your switch for your fan right here. So that's the switch for your fan. Okay. Alrighty. We're on 14.5 volts. Alright, PEP, we're on the 500 watt Slug. This is just with the 4-watt radio, peaking about 18 to 20 watts PEP. Go in the corner, my friend. This thing is working great. If I can't get a Texas Star 500 to do 500 watts PEP with my 4-watt radio, then it ain't working properly. That's how you can tell the thing's working properly. Here's the input tune. Mr. Scorpion actually done the input tune on this, and he did one heck of a job. 5-watt Slug in reverse. Go, look at that, beautiful. A lot of Texas Stars you'll still see a little movement, because a lot of them are already tuned actually for 28 megahertz. Do dia, do dia. Beautiful, beautiful. So there you go, brother. She's ready to rock and roll. If you just want to see RMS for the fun of it with this little amount of drive. Oh, let's see, we're at 500. That's almost 200 bird already, just hitting it with 4 watts. Oh, dang, I bet you if I rolled that voltage up to 15, she'd probably hit 200 bird. Let's see. Oh, pretty close. Pretty close. The cat's over here moving stuff around. Alright, big brother, if this was my box, I actually would just run it like that right there, man. She'll last you a long time. Of course, you can put some more drive in it if you want to. I already tested the variable. The variable works great. Here's 2 brand new Andersons that come with it. This right here is just already valued over 25 bucks. And this one right here goes on the I'll go ahead and clamp them on. I don't have a red I don't have a converter over here with a red one on. I don't normally get red Andersons that come in, so I just clamped them straight to it. Get some real good thick new concept 8 gauge. This is the same power wire I actually use. I actually shared that with Scorpion actually. So alright, man, here is your Texas Star. Go ahead and get this top on here for you, get it all screwed down, and work on getting this out to you, man. Hope it lasts you a long time, bud. Hope you enjoy. Mr. Gatekeeper said it. Bye-bye.